how to see your top channels on YouTube. So if you want to see your top channels on your YouTube, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your YouTube application. Go with your profile, which will be in the bottom. Now under your profile, you will have your recap right here. Select that and click on next until you see the top channels you have been watching. In case you don't find your recap on your YouTube, you can go back and then open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, go with your search and you need to search for YouTube. And if you have any updates on your YouTube, you need to just simply go and update it. After updating, the problem might be fixed. You need to go back and then now you need to search for YouTube. Tap and hold on to your YouTube application. Go with the app info. From the app info, you need to go with storage and cache and then go with clear cache, which will be on the right side. After that, just simply go back, open up your YouTube and you will have your recap. That's how you can see your top channels on your YouTube, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.